Here is a whitening mixture that I use on my face. This is just a quick mixture, right? You get your carotone, you add 2 spoons. You're going to ensure that your bowl is clean, your spoon is clean, and you're going to mix up some shea butter. You're going to add a little shea butter, not much because it's a small portion, and this you can use for a dark spot. If you want, you just use it on your dark spot and not all over your face. You can do that as well. Also, I will be adding some milk protein. Milk protein is very good for your skin. It makes your face just glow. I add it to my cream. If you cannot get milk protein, all you get light up milk protein. That's another substitute, and you're going to use around two spoons. That's if you want to use so much in a small also portion. I'm going to add Idol lightening lotion in my cream. People have been asking, do you really put Idol on your face? People, I've been using this for years and I've seen the results, so that is up to you if you want to put it, but I put it on my skin and that is my review on it, right? That it is good. You're going to also add cocoa butter petroleum jelly, and after this you're going to mix everything together. So I added sunscreen to my mixture as well. I didn't get to put it in the video, but that's what I did. I hope you enjoy this video and please subscribe.